BabyTales.
Hello, eager learners and artistic souls. Welcome to our creative classroom. Today, we're on a fun-filled mission to draw and color a teacher, all while learning our ABCs and 123 seconds. Let's start with the heart of our classroom, the teacher. Draw a friendly face at a chalkboard, and let's get creative with our teacher's outfit. Now, let your imagination flow as we bring our teacher to life on paper. Let's make learning the ABCs a breeze. A is for apple, B is for book. Let's associate each letter with a fun item. Feel free to follow along and repeat after me as we breeze through the alphabet together. Now, let's transition to numbers. Count with me as we learn to associate numbers with everyday objects. 1 is for 1 apple. 2 is for 2 books. Learning numbers is as easy as 1 minus 2 minus 3. Join in and let's count together. Remember, the key is to have fun while learning. Feel free to add your own creative touches to the teacher and let your imagination soar. Learning the ABCs in 123 seconds has never been this artistic.
There you have it, a colorful teacher bringing the ABCs in 123 seconds to life. We've turned our learning session into a work of art. Thanks for joining our creative classroom, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and educational art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy learning, and happy creating.